Hello all and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to download and use fonts on your iPad. I have here with me today the iPad Pro 2021, which I'll be using to demonstrate the process with. Every time a new iPad is released, their creative abilities become more and more advanced. Therefore, if you do use your iPad for creative reasons, it is useful to know how you can mix up your designs with different fonts. The way in which I download fonts is via an app called iFont, and acts as the middleman when downloading fonts directly from the internet. There are many sites for you to download fonts from, so you most certainly won't be short of choice. It will take just a couple of minutes to complete. You'll first need to find the font that you want to download. Once you have chosen the font, tap onto the download button. Then press onto the download icon that is on the top right corner of the screen. In here you'll see the file containing the font. Click onto the file. It will then take you to your downloads. Once again click onto the font file, to which it will then unzip the folder. Then tap onto the unzipped folder. The font will then be presented to you. Click onto the share button located at the top right corner and scroll across until you can see the iFont app. The iFont app will then open. Your font will then be displayed to you on the left hand side of the screen. Press onto the install option that is situated beside the font. From here you'll need to head over to your general settings, and in the profile section you'll see the font. Click onto it and press install. You'll now be able to use the font within apps that allow you to do so, meaning for you to get creative with your iPad. If you have any questions regarding the process, please feel free to ask away in the comment section below. I hope this video has been of some help to you. If you are looking for any accessories to ensure that you get the most out of your iPad, head over to our website. And don't forget to hit our like and subscribe button to see more content like what you have seen today. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.